flanged intake manifold. These intake elbows are available in both a machined or cast finish. Easily add your GM LS or Ford throttle body onto any intake manifold with a 4500 mounting flange. Ford and GM specific throttle body mounting holes are available. The design incorporates an optimized transition from the throttle body to the intake plenum for maximum airflow and distribution. The intake elbow is port matched to a 4500 gasket. Dual throttle cable mounting bosses allow you to mount the intake elbow forward, sideways, or rearward. The 100-degree throttle body angle provides improved hood clearance. These are available in silver or black and in a cast or machined finish. The intake flange includes an O-ring groove for a positive seal and includes a throttle bracket and hardware. Easily bolt on a blower or turbo to your high-performance intake manifold with Holley EFI's throttle body intake elbows. Get one now at Holley.